Welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today we're going to wrap up 5 ways to make chicken wings, and today I'm going to share with you my smoked chicken wings. To maximize your smoked flavor, make sure that you use smoked sea salt and smoked paprika. I ran out of both while making this video, but it will give it an extremely wonderful taste, and of course, actually smoking them will be ridiculous. So I hope you enjoy my recipe. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks and enjoy.